In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in CapCut on PC in 2026. Step by step. Whether you want to use CapCut's built-in music library or add your own audio file from your computer, this is a quick and easy way to make your videos feel more polished, more engaging, and more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the project you want to edit is already loaded, because all of the audio tools will work inside your current timeline. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Audio. This is where CapCut keeps all of its music and sound options, so this is the main place you'll be working from. After you click Audio, you'll see the music library appear. From here, you can browse through the available tracks or use the search bar to find something specific. If you already know the style you want, such as upbeat, cinematic, calm, or lo-fi, searching can save you a lot of time. Take a moment to preview a few tracks so you can choose one that matches the mood of your video. When you find a song you want to use, simply click the plus icon on that track. CapCut will automatically add the music to your timeline, which makes the process very fast and beginner-friendly. Once the track is added, you can see it in the audio layer of your project, and from there, you can start adjusting it to fit your video. If you want to use your own music instead of the built-in library, CapCut gives you that option too. Just click Import and select an audio file from your computer. This is perfect if you already have a custom track, a voiceover music bed, or a sound file you've downloaded and want to use in your edit. After you import it, the audio will appear in your media area, ready to be placed into the timeline. Now that your music is added, you can drag the music track to the desired position in the timeline. This lets you line it up with the exact moment you want the music to start, whether that's at the beginning of the video, after an intro, or under a specific scene. You can also move it around later if you want the timing to feel better with your edits. If needed, you can continue refining the audio placement until it fits perfectly with your project. The goal is to make sure the music supports the video instead of distracting from it. A good music choice can completely change the feel of your content, so it's worth spending a little extra time getting it right. And that's how to add music in CapCut on PC in 2026, using either the built-in library or your own audio files. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.